In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF to Google Sites. If you want to display a PDF on your Google site, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add an existing PDF from Google Drive directly into your site so visitors can access it easily. To begin, go to your Google site and open the page where you want the PDF to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add new content. This is important because if you're only viewing the live version of the site, you won't see the tools needed to insert files. Once you're on the correct page, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where Google Sites keeps the main insert options for adding content like text, images, and files. In that panel, click on Drive. This option lets you pull files directly from your Google Drive into the site, which is useful if your PDF is already stored there. After clicking Drive, a file browser will open so you can choose from the files in your drive. At this point, scroll down until you find the PDF you want to upload to the site. If you have a lot of files in your drive, take your time and make sure you select the correct one. It helps if your PDF has a clear file name, especially if you manage multiple documents. When you see the PDF, click on it to select it. This tells Google Sites exactly which document you want to place on the page. Selecting the correct file here is the key step, because the site will embed or display that specific document for your visitors. Once the PDF is selected, click Insert. Google Sites will then place the PDF onto your page. From there, you can adjust its placement on the page so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. For example, you may want to position it near a related section under a heading, or alongside supporting text to make it easier for visitors to understand why the document is there. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to Google Sites using Google Drive. Before finishing, it's a good idea to preview the page and confirm the PDF appears the way you want. If everything looks good, your document is ready to be shared with your audience.